Hello everyone, I am Sagar Ayo from Department of Computer Science, Manasa Gangotri. Today I am going to present on Cisco Company. These are the contents I am going to present on this video. Company overview, company profile, founders, vision and mission, SWOT analysis, AI in Cisco, conclusion and references. Company overview. Cisco Systems Incorporated is an American multinational technology headquartered in San Jose, California in the center of Silicon Valley. Cisco is a worldwide technology leader that has been making the internet work since 1984. Cisco develops, manufactures and sells networking hardware, software, telecommunications equipment and other high technology services and products. Through its numerous acquired subsidiaries such as OpenDNS, WebEx, Japper, and Jasper, Cisco specializes in specific tech markets such as the Internet of Things, domain security, and energy management. On January 25, 2021, Cisco reincorporated in Delaware. Company profile. Its industry is in both networking hardware and networking software. Founded on December 10, 1984, 36 years ago in San Francisco, California, US. Founders are Leonard Bosack and Sandy Lerner. Headquarters is in San Jose, California, United States. Area served worldwide. Key people. Chuck Robbins is CEO and chairman. Revenue is $49.30 billion in 2020. Operating income is $13.62 billion in 2020. Net income is $11.21 billion in 2020. Total access is $94.85 billion in 2020. Total equity is $37.92 billion in 2020. Number of employees are 77,500 in 2020. Its website is www.cisco.com. Founders. Sandy Lerner, born in 1955, is an American businesswoman and philanthropist. She co-founded Cisco Systems with her then partner and now former husband Leonard Bosack. Leonard Bosack, born in 1952, is a co-founder of Cisco Systems, an American-based multinational corporation that designs and sells consumer electronics, networking and communication technology and services. He was awarded the Computer Entrepreneur Award in 2009 for co-founding Cisco Systems. Present CEO Charles H. Robbins is an American businessman and the chairman and CEO of Cisco Systems. He assumed the role of CEO on July 26, 2015 and was elected chairman of the board on December 11, 2017. As chairman and CEO, Chuck is focused on helping companies, cities, and countries around the world as they look to Cisco to connect, secure, and automate their organizations for a digital-first world. Company's vision and mission. Vision: changing the way we work, live, play, and learn. The statement indicates that Cisco realizes its potential to change people and communities in memorable ways. Company's mission: to change the future of the Internet by creating unprecedented value and opportunities for our customers, employees, investors, and ecosystem partners. The statement reveals the major approach that it looks to employ in creating positive and lifelong impacts on the lives of all the stakeholders. SWOT analysis: strengths and weakness. Strengths: geographically diverse business, economics of scale, lower cost and increases margin, diversified into many segments and tapping sophisticated markets leading position bring many benefits, robust financial performance, known for its strong R&D division, a culture that experiments produces better long-term values. Its weakness: declining storage networking market, weak presence in BPO technology or market compared to global leaders. Opportunities: expansion through strategic alliances and acquisitions. Smart grid infrastructure could increase demand, Wi-Fi home calling and mobile broadband, data-intensive applications and data mining. Threats: the use of cloud servers is lowering scales and especially profits margins for Cisco's core business. Open source competitors. high competitive rivalry, virtualization. Artificial intelligence in Cisco. Artificial intelligence is a system of solving complex problems and taking actions into human intervention. Artificial intelligence helps you to gain intelligence and security, enrich customer experiences, transform processes, hire and empower talent. The most advanced AI techniques and algorithms have been developed by the Cisco to support cognitive and predictive analytics. The system is capable of learning ranges of normality for a number of variables, detects relevant anomalies, and is able to adjust continuously to user feedback. The Cisco AI Network Analytics solution provides the ability for network operators, managers, and architects to be provided with key network insights, driving actionable outcomes, leveraging the power of machine learning to tackle problems that were not previously tractable. Initially, the Cisco AI Network Analytics solution is focused on wireless use cases, as they are some of the most difficult to troubleshoot and difficult to analyze area of the network, and yet at the same time, some of the most critical areas for modern organization as they transition to a wireless first future. Conclusion. Cisco Systems is leading the competition with the most complete converged networking solutions that scale from large enterprises to small branch offices, providing your company with the most comprehensive voice, video, and data solutions available today, as well as the network expertise and support to make convergence a reality. References is from Wikipedia and Cisco.com, its official website. Thank you.